Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit and add custom fields to your lead form. So inside Ads Launcher, we want to go ahead and launch a new campaign. So choose Facebook, and then I'll go ahead and select any template in here. So I'll just select the first one that we have. And then firstly, I'm going to go ahead and fill out the custom values that we have here. Alright, so I went ahead and filled out the first fields that we have here at the top. Now I'm going to go to lead form. So we want to go ahead and click on expand section and then click on custom lead form. So firstly, we want to go ahead and rename this lead form or add a name to the lead form that you will be creating. So I'll just go ahead and name this lead form test. So something like this. And then if you want to edit the intro, you can go ahead and click on expand section for this area right here so that you can go ahead and edit this one. So this is the first area that they will see before they actually get to the lead form once the leads click your ad. And then under questions, here where you can add your custom questions in the lead form. So firstly, you'll see here that we have the standard questions already ticked in here. So you don't have to do anything else here. And if you want to add your custom questions, you want to go to short answer and click on expand section. So I'll go ahead and add 2 additional sample custom fields in here as an example. Alright, so I went ahead and added student name and student age as my additional custom fields. So I'm going to go down here. So for privacy policy, you don't have to do anything else in here. And then for completion, you can also update this. So I'll just leave this as the default template that we have. So what you want to do now is click on save lead form. Alright, so let's go back down here, expand section, and then you want to scroll down and you want to see this save status in here. So once you see that it has been saved, you don't have to do anything else. You can go ahead and proceed with the other steps of launching your campaign. So what I'm going to do is add my location in here. So I'll just select the first one since I already have an address on the Facebook page that I have linked in here. And then for the ad media, I'll just choose the templates or the media inside our templates area. And then for the ad text, I'm not going to change anything in here. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the campaign now. So again, you want to see that the lead form here has been saved. So you don't have to do anything else in here. You just want to make sure that it says here that it's saved. So now I'm going to go ahead and launch my campaign. Alright, so now my campaign here has been launched. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn that off. Alright, so now we want to move on to the next step, which is mapping the lead form. So now we want to go to settings right here, which is the gear icon on the top right. And then we want to go to integrations and then Facebook form fields mapping. And then you want to look for the lead form that you created by looking for the form name. So it's usually at the very top. So we want to go ahead and click on map fields. So in here, you'll see that the first name, last name, phone number, email are already mapped automatically by Music Teacher Pros. But the custom fields in here, we'll have to select manually. So since these are technically custom fields, we'll have to go ahead and create it to match the data that's coming from the Facebook lead form into Music Teacher Pros. So now what we want to do is create those custom fields inside Music Teacher Pros. So we can easily go ahead and do that if we go to custom fields. So still under settings, we just want to go to custom fields right here and manually create the custom questions that you've added on your lead form. So just go ahead and click on add field, and then you want to use single line, and then next. I'll just use the same field name that I used in the lead form. So this is the first one, student name. So the next thing we want to do here is click on the group as to where you want to categorize this new custom field. So we just want to go ahead and put that under additional info and then hit save. And then I'll go ahead and create the second one. So again, add field, single line, next. Type it in here. And for the group, we want to select additional info and then hit save. So once you've created the custom fields in here, we want to go back to integrations and Facebook form fields mapping. And now I'm going to go ahead and proceed with mapping the fields. So again, click on map fields And then I'm gonna select field for student name and look for the custom field I just created. Let's see, so this one. So, and then the second one here, we'll just have to go and look for it again. So there we go, student age. So after selecting or matching the fields, just go ahead and hit save. And there you have it. So that's pretty much everything for editing and adding custom fields to your Facebook lead forms. If you have any questions, just let us know in the group. We'll see you there.